Hi, we continue with the safe use of lifts and escalator. And we know that when you have lift or escalator in the building, proper care and scheduled maintenance must be done to ensure that the escalator and elevator function properly without causing any problem. If the maintenance is not conducted properly, breakdown will occur and will lead to the higher cost and downtime. Moreover, vandalism and misuse also can affect the performance of the lift and escalator. Lift and escalator must be inspected and maintained regularly, and the owner of the building will do the maintenance and also to educate the user on the safety during the operation. Responsibility regarding the safe use of lift and escalator does not rest solely on the shoulder of the owner, competent firm, building management or DOJ, but also to the user. Okay, let's watch the video on the safety, using the elevator.
Every year in Washington, thousands of notices are issued for improperly maintained or unsafe elevators that can leave the public at risk. The result? Residents and customers in buildings face safety problems and other challenges, while building owners face loss of reputation and increased costs. This video is meant to help the building owner improve safety for customers, hold elevator service companies accountable, and show what to expect during a Washington State Department of Labor and Industries elevator inspection.
Hi, I'm Jack Day, Chief Elevator Inspector for the Elevator Program at L&I. Did you know there are more than 18,000 elevators, lifts, moving walkways, and other conveyances in the state? As a building owner, you're responsible for the safe operation and the maintenance of the elevators in your building. How can you ensure the work is being done and that your elevator is safe for your customers? In this video, we'll show you the Maintenance Control Program, or MCP log, and the way to track the work performed on your elevator by your elevator service company. Also, we'll tell you some of the things you can do that can improve safety, save money, and achieve success on your next elevator inspection. Let's get started. Welcome to your machine room. Many of you haven't been here before. Please remember, this is a mechanical room, so your safety is a priority. Stay clear of rotating equipment and don't go near open, exposed electrical cabinets. Let's find the MCP log. Sure enough, here it is, right where it's supposed to be. So what's in the Maintenance Control Program, or MCP log? Well, the MCP log lists routine maintenance requirements and safety tests that by law need to be performed on an elevator. The MCP log makes it easier to track the work being done on that elevator. You don't have to be an engineer to figure it out. If you've ever used a porta potty or a restroom at a business, you've probably seen a checklist with initials showing when it was last cleaned. The MCP log is similar, and it shows when and if the work has been completed. You can see the different tasks, how often the task should be done, and initials from your service company's mechanic that shows when the task was last performed. And if you don't see the initials and it's past the date, you should call your service company. It means the work wasn't done. And when the inspector comes, it'll be listed as a correction and could cost you money until it's resolved. These maintenance requirements are industry standards that can help maintain the longevity and safe operation of your elevators, that reduce the likelihood of costly repairs or situations where someone could get stuck, trapped, or hurt using your elevators. So what can you do without needing a service company to make sure your elevator is safe? Here's a list that could save customers' lives, save money, and improve your reputation as an owner. So remember, we all want to make sure people are safe when they ride an elevator. You're responsible as a building owner to make sure that your elevators receive regular maintenance and safety tests. The MCP log is your best tool for working with your elevator service company and to ensure your elevators are safe and that the work is getting done. Please visit our website to learn more.
And lift safety system, they have the gear braking system, they have limit switch, buffer at the bottom, microprocessor, load sensor, and 2 different set of doors. And safety device in the lift car, they have alarm button, okay, for the user who's stuck in the elevator, door open and close, emergency light, they have the door sensor, and overload device in which it will trigger if the people inside the elevator or the lift car more than is supposed to, and they have the telephone or intercom to communicate. And on the escalator, they also have the mechanism. So they have a power unit, motor, they have gearbox, they have the moving stairs, and they have the 2 handrails. And the escalator standard safety device in which they have cone plate, emergency stop button. Okay, here you can see when you use the escalator. Step chain safety switch, shirt panel switch in case something stuck, and safety notice display, step demarcation line, the yellow line here, and optional safety devices such as deflector brush, triangular guard provided, and also the step demarcation light. And acts and regulation related for the elevator and escalator under the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, in which they give out the responsibility of the owner of the building to ensure that the escalator and elevator are safe for use, and then the general duty of the designer, manufacturer, and supplier to make sure and ensure that the fixture are safe to use, and they need to do the reporting to DOSH. And in the Factory and Machine Act 1967, they cannot operate any certificate machine without a valid CF. Okay, if the building don't have CF, so you cannot use the elevator or the escalator. And also we can see the penalty here. It can be 50,000 under the OSHA and 100,000 if under the FME, the Factory Machine Act. And safety information notice must be displayed. Okay, and you can see in the elevator. And also the safety information must clearly put up the sign near the escalator and also inside the elevator. And these are do and don'ts for the user, okay, so that you have a safe condition and also you can help to take care of the elevator and escalator. Alright. Safe and proper use of escalator too. They have do and don'ts here. Okay. And these are the CF example. If they don't have this, so they cannot operate the elevator or escalator, and they must have notice if it's under maintenance or not working. Okay, these are the infographic on the use of escalator. So that's all on the safety for escalator and elevator.